Welcome! If you're tired of your inbox filling up with LinkedIn emails every time a candidate sends you a message, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through the latest way to disable email notifications for candidate messages on LinkedIn using your PC. This guide follows the most recent LinkedIn update, so you'll be all set in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open LinkedIn in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen, click on the Me icon. This is your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This takes you to your main settings page. On the left side, you'll see several options. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and updates LinkedIn sends you, both on the platform and to your email. Now scroll down until you find the Hiring Someone section. Click on it to expand more options. Under this section, select Job Posts. Here, you'll see all the different types of notifications related to your job postings and hiring activity. Next, look for the option labeled Messages from Candidates. Click to open its settings. You'll notice several toggles for different types of notifications. Find the toggle for email. To stop receiving emails every time a candidate messages you, simply switch this toggle off. That's it. You've now disabled email notifications for candidate messages on LinkedIn. You'll still see these messages in your LinkedIn inbox, but your email will stay clutter-free. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and flip the toggle back to on. Managing your notifications this way helps you stay focused and only get the updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.